Conditions here today, none plus. Well, that's a mathematical equation I'll be taking through Nunney Castle today on my way to Postlebury Hill for the Trig point. And I'll be starting this Trig bag off at the White Hart Inn in Trudoxhill. So that qualifies for a one bag walk today. The route itself is 5.95 miles and it should take me 2 hours 42 minutes, so quite a long one. So let's get this walk underway. Don't think that pub's open. Looks nice though. Very wet underfoot for a start.
Well, I brought my stick.
Following what is now known as the Ben Noel debacle, I've only got one trekking pole. It just doesn't lock out. And at a critical moment when you want it, it just collapses on you. Why do they do this? Trudoxhill, and I'm about to hit a road section, part of the Macmillan Way, Somerset Gelato, and today, Poo Done It Challenge. Not a flavour I would have gone for. I don't know what's going on here. This is a really bit strange. I mean, this is Somerset. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Down in Somerset, you can come and spend the day looking at shit. What a way to pass the time. Pleasant artwork. I'd say that was the sound of spring. It's very warm today. Had a bit of a criticism about how I look after my shoes, my walking boots. So I've now got a new cleaning regime. You might have seen the bag that I'm now using. They only go in there clean. And I'm quite glad really, because I put some waterproof on, but this is the type of, talking more shit now, more muck now. This is the type of hammer they take. Now I'm going through a field that is absolutely saturated again. I can't wait for summer. This field's got a bull in it. Where's the gate? Where's the bloody gate? Wasn't expecting it to be this bad. Sometimes it's best to just not think about it. Coming down into Nunney. There's the information board. Deep water. Oh, fishing. You caught out?
Pardon?
Have you caught anything?
Yeah, I've had quite a few so far, yeah.
Oh, it looks like there's goldfish in there.
Yeah, there's goldfish, carp.
Ghost carp?
Yeah.
What are they? Are they particular species of carp,
Yeah,
are they?
certain variations. They're like ones you can't really see in the water. They're like really...
Ah, right. Hence the name ghost carp. Lovely. All right, good luck. I'm beginning to think there's no drawbridge to get over, which would be the biggest disappointment of the day for me. It was built by Sir John Delamere. He made his fortune during the 100-Year War, and he obtained a licence from Edward III to build a castle where there was a manor house in 1373. So we're going back a few years. Cracking view. So the resulting castle centred on a stone tower keep measuring 60 feet by 24 feet. And the castle's maintained by English Heritage. Well done. Time to leave Nunney Castle. Popular little spot. Lovely. place to come and have a picnic actually. Shame it hasn't got a trig point on it. That way. Let's go and find POSTLEBURY Hill trig point. Down to Nunney Brook. It's like being in the Alps. Bridge is unsafe. Sure it'll be fine. Open moorland. And into more muck. I did have just check my shoes and my boots. Yep, most of that is bullshit. This is the first time I've ever had this problem on trig bagging. I have had this trouble when I've been walking before. But on here, it says I need to just walk straight forward now and up that little incline next to the farm. And there is no discernible way through. And there's a massive bull over that way, so I think I'm going to go that way in the field, see if there's a way round. But this footpath is not in good working order. Hopefully that's not going to give way. Like a rubbish tip. This is walking straight into the farmer's yard. Let's keep going. So I just asked that chap who looks like he's the farmer, and he said no worries, just go round this way. He said it's a bit boggy but you're alright and the electric fence isn't on. Encouraging words. The electric fence is not on. How bad is it? Oh, no, utter muck. This is a lot more civilised. Nice bridle way. And it really is pretty much on a straight line now, I hope, to up to the trig point. I can have picnicability. I'm getting quite hungry now. Tree wood area. There should be a trig point. And again, it's the wastelands around here. Dumping ground for, not for industrial material, but just shit and mud everywhere. I can see it. There you are. Been looking for you all day. Hallelujah. Let's get picnicability underway. I'm absolutely starving. Today's, not sandwich, wrap of choice is saucisson salad. It's the only thing I had left in the fridge. So picnicability, as you can see, the ground's saturated. We've had shitloads of rain, but on a nice day, sit anywhere up on one of these little hills. It'd be a really nice place to have a picnic. It's time for the sustenance now. So viewpoint, well, you can see quite a bit of a distance from this angle here. So that looks pretty good. Although obviously you've only got, what I say, a third of a viewpoint from this trig point. You can't see all the way around, so it's not brilliant. Beauty point of view, well, it doesn't really do it for me. So if we look at Discovery Index, well, it's a bit that you can't see it on one side at all. It's actually just over the brow of the hill as well, so it's really difficult to see. And it's quite muddy, so you have to follow your OS maps for sure. So the visibility of this one is quite difficult because look at it. I mean, it's almost camouflage over there. It's not exactly easy to find. The condition of it looks in poor condition. It looks like it should be here and it's been moved at some point. So over in the distance, and I'll put a photograph there now, I can see King Alfred's Tower, which I believe is a folly. That's on my list. No trig bag involved. And when I think about the walk, the quality of the walk, well, you know, it's all dependent on how you plan it out. I probably planned the worst route out across from Nunney to here. It's been quite a challenge with all the mud and water. That wind's got up and my bottle's gone. And hopefully it's not fell right down the hill. Oh no, it's down there. It'd be interesting to see what the rest of the walk holds going back to where the van is. And maybe that's a much more pleasant walk. Right, time to make a move. Now, that's the footpath leading out from the field. I actually cut across. Finally, a nice walkable path. The last hill. Keep going straight. Dry feet time. Trudoxhill. Sounds like it could be some like washing up powder. Trudoxhill. Guaranteed to get your whites white and your shitty feet clean. By Trudoxhill. This walk has taken me 3 hours 15 minutes. That'll be with the one route that was blocked off and the fact that there was a lot of water and mud. Coming down, which I think I can see the pub, but I think that's closed and I don't think I can afford the time to have a drink anyway. I will have a look if it's open. I mean, I doubt it. Yeah, it looks closed. Yeah, it must be closed, I think. Oh, bollocks. Hello. Oh, now that is a turn up for the books. I'll have a pint of landlord, please. Pint of landlord. Cheers. Oh, always the best. Oh. I hope they don't mind a bit of smell of farmyard.